Hello, how you doing? My name is Eric Govan. I'm the Fire Marshal of the City of Richmond, and I'm excited to talk about this new free smoke alarm installation program that we have in partnership with the American Red Cross. They are providing free smoke alarms, and the Richmond Fire Department is more than happy to install those free smoke alarms. You can visit the city's website, type in free smoke alarms. It will take you to the fire department's page. On that page, you can fill out an application. Then we will be in contact with you to set up an appointment to install these smoke alarms. Have any questions, feel free to call the fire department 510-307-8031. Thank you.